In today's video, we'll see how to post an outgoing invoice in SAP S for HANA cloud version. And for in this demonstration, we'll create an outgoing invoice for a tax-free item. The invoice amount will be discounted 2% if paid in next 2 weeks by the customer. So for this exercise is must to have two roles at least. One is account receivable accountant, and the other one is general generic role. So these roles must be assigned to the user. I will remove this account payable accountant. It is not necessary. Generic role is there. I will add the account receivable accountant role because we will be issuing an outgoing invoice for a customer. Okay, so the role is selected, and once the role has been assigned to the user, we need to, log out and log in again. The related application here or app is Create Outgoing Invoices app. It is available in Journal Entries group in the menu. So once we are logged in, we will locate the group of journal entries. So here it is, Journal Entries group. In the Journal Entry group, we will select Create Outgoing Invoices app. It is there, and we need to enter the company code here. So we'll select this company 101, 10101. Okay, once we select the company, then the entry form is shown. We will start from here. The customer number need to be entered. After customer number is entered, we need to select the invoice date. Okay, the customer, this one is 101, 4 times 0 and 1. And then invoice date must be selected, which will enter the current date. And then the reference number need to be entered against this invoice. This reference number can serve, for example, if you have given services to the customer against a quotation number, and then amount is entered along with the currency code. And then we need to also select the tax code, which is A naught. Just beside tax amount field, and we'll select here A naught because it is not non-taxable item. Payment terms need to be selected, and for payment terms we'll go to the payment tab, and there you can see 0004 is selected. We'll select 0002. which is within 14 days, 2% cash discount. So we can set these payment terms beforehand. We'll input now GL account in the line item, and the account number will be 41 6 times naught, which is a revenue domestic product as it is seen in the lookup. And then in amount need to be star. The profit center need to be selected, which is in our case YB 111. We need to assign a profit center, and this product B here. And profitability segment, the data is here, customer number and the product number. This is in profitability segment. To input the value in profitability segment here. Number need to be entered in the profitability segment. Customer number, and then the product code also need to be entered, which is triple O double O one, and that's it. We'll continue here. Then we'll post the entry, and that's it. We'll exit to the SAP S4 logo. So this is how we post an outgoing invoice in SAP S4 HANA for a customer, and we have set up the profitability segments and various information, including payment terms and the ledger accounts and GL account and profit center. Various fields were entered. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel to see more of these videos. We will once again check here to check whether our entry has been posted, and here it is. Yeah, this one is our entry. All the information are as we have entered, including the profit center and everything. Thank you guys, and please give me your feedback to improve these videos, because I'm very new for recording the videos, so maybe there are some weaknesses